At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in North Carolina involves several steps. Here's a simplified guide. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Your chosen name must be unique and not already in use by another business in North Carolina. You can check the availability of your desired name through the North Carolina Secretary of State's website. 2. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the North Carolina Secretary of State. You can file online, by mail, or in person. This document typically includes your LLC's name, address, registered agent information, and other basic details. 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in North Carolina. 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by North Carolina law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your business. 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a federal tax ID issued by the IRS. You'll need an EIN for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website. 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on your business activities, you may need to register for state taxes such as sales tax, use tax, or withholding tax. You can register online through the North Carolina Department of Revenue website. 7. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain various licenses and permits to operate legally. Check with local authorities and regulatory agencies to determine your requirements. 8. File annual reports. In North Carolina, LLCs are required to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. This report updates your LLC's information and is due by April 15th each year. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. Ensure you comply with all ongoing requirements for maintaining your LLC's legal status, such as filing taxes, renewing licenses, and updating business information as necessary. It's recommended to consult with a legal or financial advisor to ensure you complete all necessary steps correctly and comply with state and federal regulations. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.